Howdy, what up guys? So I'm back with another product review. I got the Yeti X and I got it from a good friend of mine who didn't need it anymore. Thanks. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and leave my impressions of it. So let's take it out of the box. I'll do my best with one hand. So when you get it right out of the box, it's upside down. So we're just gonna flip this guy up and voila. And from here we have a little blue USB cable. I had also bought this microphone pop filter set from Amazon. It comes with a pop filter and windscreen. So the windscreen came out all crunched up. So let's try to open it up and make it fit. So I have it on, but it looks okay from this angle, but when you turn it on the side, you can see those little indentations on the back. So hopefully that flattens out after time. So there you have it. It's all assembled and connected. Pop filter to the windscreen. And looking at it closely on the bottom, you can also put a headphone jack here. And now let's put it to the test and see how it sounds. Alright, so now that we have set up the Blue Yeti X, and I'm currently using it to record this, we are going to go ahead and download the Logitech G Hub. We go ahead and click for download Windows 10, which I already did here, and then you just go ahead and install it. And afterwards, we come up here, and then we open Yeti X, and it'll take you here to pretty much everything that you see. Right when you open it, if you don't enable BlueVoice, it'll have this as your start out. It'll prompt you for like 3 little things to put the gain, master output level, and check your mic. So what's cool about this is that you can use different patterns that was on the little piece of paper there, and it shows stereo, omni, which is like everywhere, cardioid, which is like a probably 45-degree angle towards the mic, and then bidirectional if you're like interviewing two-way and the Yeti is in front of you between 2 people. So I heard that doing cardioid is the best output for here. And then you want to crank the gain on the Blue Yeti X on the lowest and increase this input gain until it sounds right for wherever you want your setting to be. So what's cool about this is when you click enable Blue Voice, you can play with some of the settings. So the equalizer for the high pass, it eliminates rumble, engines, fans, or desk noise. And it has an equalizer here that you can mess with. Also, signal cleanup, noise reduction, the gate, compressor, de-esser, de-popper, and limiter. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just showing you guys what it has. And if you do like one of these things, so I have my custom preset. So when I click to AM, my voice is going to change because everything changes. And then if I do broadcaster 1, maybe I sound like a broadcaster, but maybe I sound like old time radio, maybe. But the fun one are you're an effect. So I'm just gonna go back to my one setting, and then
I do a little crazy alien voice.
I sound like a DJ robot. Or if I sound like another robot, and that's pretty cool with all these little effects here. You can keep that going when you're playing games and stuff like that. But you can always turn it off, turn it back on, and then turn this off and keep your presets here going. So moving on from microphone, we're gonna go sampler. These are some more other samples that you can use, and you can also like import, and you can also download some new effects. If you go back to effects and browse, you can see people made other kind of effects, and that's pretty cool if you're good at that kind of thing to make those things. So the lighting is next, so you can set up what you want for your colors to be. I'm just gonna keep it green, and you can have it breathing, fixed, pulsating, and then the headphone jack. You can also fix some of the equalizers here so you can hear yourself and all that stuff. So overall, this is a pretty fun little effects that you get here, and that's pretty much it. So what do I think of the Blue Yeti X? I think it's pretty awesome sauce. Along with the Logitech G Hub, it has those different sound effects, equalizers that you can change, and it's pretty fun to use. When I listen to myself, I do hear a lot of background noise, but when I record, it gets filtered out. But the price though, it's pretty expensive, coming at you on Amazon currently for 150 bucks. The buzzing noises, setting it up with a Voicemeeter Banana, Streamlabs OBS, and other applications will make it better. So all in all, the Blue Yeti X gets my stamp of approval, and I would recommend it. As always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next one.